Hey, what's up guys? JP here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Actually, it's not even an unboxing video. It's a unbagging video. I ordered something, as you can tell, through Amazon Prime. I am a Prime member, which really no big deal. Amazon Prime, all it means is that they send you stuff next day. Sometimes if you order it early enough in the day, you'll get it the same day. But anyway, the other day, I got a thing from Amazon saying that they had a deal of the day. And the deal of the day was a very interesting item that I use for my my cooking videos, for my YouTube videos. So I'm going to unbox it, whatever you want to call it, and take a look at it and see what it is. I'm going to be using my nice trusty knife and sharp knife at that, and see what it is. Okay, this is the Tenergy Solis Smart Food Thermometer, and it has, I think, like 6 probes, and that's what I liked. That it's got Wi-Fi. I'm not sure about Wi-Fi capability, but it has Bluetooth capability, and I do a lot of cooking, and it was a good deal. I think I paid, I don't even remember what I paid. I don't think I paid anything for it because I had rewards, and I had enough money in rewards that I got it for free. So let's unbox it, take a look at it, see what's inside, and see what it looks like. Okay, comes in a nice little box, and looks like the unit, you get the unit on top first. Comes in a nice little wrapper, and might be magnetic, I'm not sure, but it has place for 3 probes on that side, 3 probes on this side, so it's got a total of 6 probes that you can use with it. I've never used this brand, Tenergy. The brand that I use is, heck, I don't even know what it is right now, but it's a good brand. What is it? Thermopro. Okay, that's what I use. Thermopro is very good thermostat. They do have ones that come with Wi-Fi capability and Bluetooth and with radio signal. So I'm going to try this one out, and the reason I want to try it out is because it's got 6 probes on it. You know, when you're cooking different meats and more than one meat, if you're cooking like 6 briskets, all you got to do is break one thermostat out, and you're good to go. So it comes in a nice little box. That's what that looks like. And I guess they even got their own batteries. Tenergy alkaline batteries. Alright, comes with some batteries. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does come with 6 probes. And this is, I hate to say cute, you know, because that's like not a barbecue thing, but they are color coded. I got green, purple, blue. There's a yellow one, an orange one, and then a red one. So they do give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 probes. And I'm going to use the green probe because green is my favorite color. And this is what I like about it right now. It's got this little indentation right here on the probe, and that's all you really need to put into whatever you're cooking. That's where the actual thermostat is at. You don't have to bury it completely. And it got some cable on it. And looks pretty cool. Can't wait to try them out. But they give you 6 of them. Got a red one. There's my green one. Purple, blue, yellow, and orange. And the unit itself Got some instructions in here. Looks like Tenergy Solis Smart Food Thermometer. Guess you have to download the app for it. I'm not going to do that today. I'm just unboxing it. That way you guys can see what comes in the box. So supposedly it's got a nice big LCD display on it. So I give you that. Card that says 90 days hassle-free returns, 2-year replacement. Now that I like. Standard warranty is 30 days, 1-year replacement. And extended warranty is a 90-day total replacement, or hassle-free returns 90 days and replacement 2 years. So I'm not sure what that means, but it's nice that they put that in there, because with today's market, these things break down, and that's been my issue with a lot of these thermostats, thermometers, is that they break down. I had bought this other brand, can't even remember the name of the brand, Maverick or something. Man, they were crap. Did not like them. They give you one more thing inside the box. You are the missing piece. So I'm not sure what they mean by that. So, having trouble, we have the most knowledge of our products. Contact us directly. Love it. Receive awesome products free and help us make them even better by joining the Tenergy Power Club. Now that I do like. I'm going to look into that because I like people sending me stuff for free. So, but that's it. Comes in a nice little box. I'll put it back in the box. 6-probe thermometer or thermostat. Thermostat is for like air conditioning, and that's what it kind of looks like. Pretty cool. Can't wait to try it out. I'm going to be cooking some food tomorrow, and I'll do it with I'll use it tomorrow on the food I'm going to be cooking. But if you look at the battery life, 200 hours, 6 probes, 6 channels, plus or minus 1% accuracy, monitoring temperature range, 32 degrees all the way to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. So, if you're cooking anything hotter than that, I don't know what you're cooking, but nobody cooks at that high temp. Wireless range is 100 foot, 33 meters. Food ready alarm, yes. And the app is available for the iOS and the Android. And that is the Tenergy unboxing thermometer. So besides that, hope you guys like this unboxing. Tomorrow I'll use it with my cooking. I don't know if I'll do a review on it. If it doesn't do good on tomorrow's cook, put it back in the box and send it back. That's the good thing about Amazon. Just put it back in the box and you're good to go. Hope you guys like this video of unboxing my new thermometer. Appreciate you guys watching, and as always, appreciate you guys. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, or maybe over here on that side, and give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.